Wanna know how to clean up a messy sentence with too many spaces? Well, no worries. In this video, we will learn how to remove extra spaces between words in Java. So, it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, we simply take our input. So, we have created a string that is messy, and we have a bunch of white spaces that is unnecessary right here under Java is awesome. So first up, we use the trim method. So right here you can see by addressing string clean, we clean out messy.trim. So this trim method removes spaces at the beginning and the end, and then use replace all method with double hash s and quotation marks, that is white lines. This replaces multiple spaces with just one. It's super simple and effective. So that's it. You can just simply run the code to see the results, and there you have it. All the white spaces or unnecessary spaces has been removed. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.